Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my YouTube channel Cryptoland. Hope you all are doing well and having a great day. As you all know, we talk about new projects, new websites, and I always try to introduce those projects in which you can invest and get a good return. So today I have a great project to share with you all, and you must have to check this project out. Don't miss the video. But before we begin, I want you all to please subscribe to my channel and yes, press the notification bell. Thank you. All right, so this is our project for today. It's Coin, and you have to connect your wallet. Then let me tell you one thing that Coin, you can find Coin on Wikipedia as well. You can have all the introduction and about token, tokenomics, etc. So here you can see that what is Coin. We are an enemy and fantasy powered project that is both a token, NFT marketplace, and much more. We plan our enemy characters into not only our website NFTs but also games and eventually a fully animated series. We hope the community will be so inspired by our characters and stories that we will be able to raise enough capital to fund an entire season for an animated show. Why should I invest my money in this project? So if you have the thing in the if you have this question in your mind that why should you invest in this project? So what makes this any different to the other thousand meme coins out of the promising huge gains, great rewards, a wonderful community, and amazing roadmaps? Unlike most other meme coins, we have an actual property backing our project that you can see and we can market. We're not a piece of a dog, moon, cat, pig, shark, save something, or is on a rocket. We have actual stars as part of our team working on our music and production of a project that are committed to it. We have an extensive amount of marketing opportunities available to a US based or an enemy theme and that vibrant and wonderful community. So this is a claim and disclaimer, and you can go through it. Then you have the details about the enemy series and the tokenomics, the NFTs and marketplace, etc. So you can have all the information on Wikipedia as well. And then we have the token information, the token details, token features, etc. So if you want in details information, so you can find them on Wikipedia and have all the details here as well. Let's get back to our website. So we have read this already that what is Coin. So we are an enemy fantasy powered project that is both a token, NFT marketplace, and much more. They plan enemy characters into not only their website but NFTs. They will be launching games as well and eventually a fully animated series. So we hope that community will be so inspired by our characters and their stories that we will be able to raise enough capital to fund an entire season of an animated show. Then the Island Enemy series, and this is a short video. I'll let you watch this by the end of my video. And then the Island is our original fantasy and theme enemy series that we are looking to make once we reach our funding goal. We have a live character on a live tracker on our website showing our progress so investors can see how soon we will be going into the full production. That is great. You have a live tracker to check it out. And then we have hired an amazing screenwriter who has begun writing our screenplays for the season, which will be each 10 to 30 minutes long episode. Our incredible composer Raj Ramaya is already at work in crafting more fabulous original music for our project. And then the HGCoin team are in contact with some of the biggest stars in all the anime to voice our lead characters. So you know that they have already planned really great things for their episodes as well, and they're working more. So this is a wallet tracker and then the battle game to you can play this game to earn. So build up your army by buying NFTs, defend your castle, or battle against the magical creatures of the Alki Island. All right, so the features of Coin is automatic liquidity pool, USD tethering pairing. So they have paired with USDT Tether, and we are using a unique solution of USDT as a pairing for our EcoChain Coin token on PancakeSwap. 4% is split 50-50, half of which are sold by the contract, which is converted to USDT and paired with remaining HG tokens. Then added as a liquidity pair on PancakeSwap, allowing for an incremental increase in the price floor. Then some of the features manual burns, token burns will be controlled by the team with the token sent to a dead address. These funds will be based on certain milestones being achieved and will be part of the rewards program. Then anti-whaling system they're providing. The anti-whaling feature will prevent transaction larger than 0.3% of the total circulating supply. An additional anti-whaling feature prevents holders owning more than 5% of the total circulating supply. And then the reward system they are giving is community events where the winners will have USDT drop to their wallets. The condition of the events will be advertised and tracked. Anti-dumping, we aim to prevent early dumping through vesting. This is where the tokens are released over a duration of time. We will have vesting for the whitelist and for the private sale at 1 month and 4 months respectively to ensure that we do not have large sales immediately after launch. And then the marketplace buyback for each NFT purchase or sell on the HECoin marketplace, a 2% of max or 1% minimum fee is applied, which is split 50-50, from which half is used to purchase HECoin by the smart contract and paired with the remaining USDT. This is then added as the liquidity pair on PancakeSwap. So these are the features they have mentioned on their website, and then the tokenomics. 12% is transaction fee, and then the token tax reduction milestone they have mentioned is as soon as 20 million market cap, so the tax will be 10%, and 40 million market cap tax will be reduced to 8%. 60%, 60 million market cap 6%, 80 million market cap 4%, and as soon as they reach 100 million market cap, so the tax will be reduced to 2%. So this is the ratio you can see their token distribution. Enemy wallet is for 2%, return to rewards wallet 3%, reflection back to holders 2%, return to marketing wallet 1%, and return to liquidity 4%. Then NFT tier system they have mentioned is Pleasant. So what you will be getting on Pleasant tier system is doesn't own an NFT. If you are not owning an NFT, so you are in this tier and can only buy silver or gold NFTs. No airdrop. And then the second is Square. You must hold at least one NFT, and the second thing is can only buy silver, gold, plat NFTs. Square Drop can only receive silver, gold NFT or 1x reward USDT. And the third is Night, total 50 NFTs and can buy all NFTs classes. And Night Airdrop as well can receive silver, gold, plat or 2x reward USDT. And the last one is 250. You have to hold 250 NFTs and you can buy all NFT classes. Wizard Airdrop can receive legendary or 3x reward USDT. So this is the tier system. You can check it out from their website. Then we have links to their social channels. You can follow them on their social channels and you can join their Telegram community so you will be notified about the game as well and other things, and about their giveaways, etc., and the launching, of course. So you have to join them on their Telegram, and you have their Twitter as well. You can follow them on Twitter and Medium, YouTube, etc. They have social link their social channels on the website, so you can follow them and you will be notified about all the things happening in their project. So this is the Twitter of HECoin. You can follow them here. Whitelist competition now running for a shell army. Please report for duty and join John from Digital Fever at. And you can find other things, a new AMA that you don't want to miss. Event HECoin Voice AMA, where so they have mentioned the link where they're having their AMA session October 1st, 3 a.m. UTC, and price will be $200. So you will be getting all the details regarding AMA and their giveaways, etc. So you must have to follow them on Twitter and other social channels, so you will be notified on time, of course, about anything, everything of their project. All right, so this is a short disclaimer that HECoin does not offer any sort of investment advice. We advise our readers and users to educate themselves on the risk involved with any activities related to the blockchain and cryptocurrency, including but not limited to trading or investing in any financial market, cryptocurrency exchange, or similar platform or token. Never trade with money that you cannot afford to lose. Consult with a qualified financial advisor before making an investment decision. All content on our website, hecoin.com, is subject to change at any time without any notice. No guarantee of any kind is implied or possible regarding buying, holding, selling, or engaging in other activity or movements with cryptocurrencies, digital assets, portfolios, and or other assets of any type of whatsoever. So this is a agreement. You must have to go through it. And then this was our project for today. I told you everything about the project, and I'll provide the link in my description so you can go through the project by yourself. You can do your own research, and if you're satisfied, so you can invest in it. I hope you like the website. If yes, so please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and press the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.
Welcome to the mystical Sekai Island, a fantasy NFT marketplace powered by Echicoin.